So I would say to somebody that would come in, they'd say, Pastor, I do this spiritual stuff. I need the practical stuff. All right, when you're stressed, when you're discouraged, when you're worrying, when you're overwhelmed, where do you find peace? I would ask you this, like, are you confused and struggling with what's next in your life? You ever find yourself confused? Do I take this job? Do I go to this place? And what do I do about this situation, about that? I just don't know what to do. I'm struggling. Do you ever struggle to get clear? Think about this, clear and accurate wisdom. You ever struggle to just get this piece of like, this is what I ought to do. This is how I ought to move forward. And by the way, as you think about trying to find clarity in life and how you ought to live and what you ought to do and where you ought to go and who you ought to interact with, I would remind you that the Bible teaches you there's an enemy that will lie to you in a world that will confuse you.